Hey, everybody, and welcome to Build Your Business Bigger with Barb. I hope you're all doing well today. And it is spring is just around the corner. And so we're excited for the warmer weather. And I just want to share with you all today. Last week we had some internet connectivity issues. So today I'm going to go ahead and go through how to build your business bigger by setting up a birthday campaign and how you can use this campaign over and over again to send birthday cards to your clients, your customers, your friends, your family, whatever need you might have for those cards. And I'll show you an easy way to have that campaign sitting in your send out cards account, and it will be there whenever you need it. You can do multiple birthday cards. We're just going to set one up today and make it easy because we want to keep things easy. So I also want to show you here, I have a bunch of birthday cards sitting here that are personalized to me. This one has my name on it, right? Happy birthday, Barb. And the message inside, there's a handwriting, a signature here, and the back of the card is personalized. This is from my good friend and fellow Send Out Cards affiliate, Alan. Alan is on my team, and he works out of the Ann Arbor, West Washtenaw County area. And this one is also another one, happiest of birthdays. This is from one of the people on my team as well, Judy O'Higgins. Judy is in Arizona. This is the back of her card. And again, thank you, Judy, for that card. It was beautiful. And I have a few more here that I've received and sent, and even one with my picture on it here. That is from my friend Sarah and her husband Mike and her son Max, who are fellow Kiwanians in the Downriver area. And Sarah's also a customer, a client of mine with Send Out Cards. So she created that card and sent it to me through her account. And so that is really fun. Birthdays are important, and it's one of the four. I tell everybody, every business person, client I talk to, if you can send 4 cards a year, pick your top 10 clients or your top 5 clients or your top 20. The number is whatever you're comfortable with, but I think 10 is a great number. So if you pick your top 10 clients and you each send them 1 card a quarter or 4 cards a year, 3 of those would be personalized cards. One would be a birthday card. One would be a thank you or appreciation card for their business, and one would be a holiday card. And then that fourth card you could use to send a postcard about a special or sale you have going on, a new product or service you're offering, a coupon for them to use, or a referral invite to have them refer someone to your business, whether you're an insurance agent or a hair salon or realtor or whatever business you might own. 4 times a year is what I suggest and recommend you send cards, and it's very easy with using send out cards. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to share my screen, and we're going to walk through in about 15 minutes, maybe 20, but not much more than that, how to log in and set up a birthday campaign. And then in the coming weeks, we will explore more ways for you to share send out cards. So let me go here. Okay, so I'm going to log into my account, and I'm going to log in. And again, if you haven't tried send out cards or you're not using it, you currently have an account and can't get into it or need it reactivated, please let me know. I can help you. If I can't do it, we can call customer support and they will be able to surely help you do that. So we're going to go over here on the left to campaigns. So campaigns is a card that you set up and you hold in your account for future sending need that you might have. It could be a holiday card, it could be a birthday card, it could be a thank you card. It could be any type of card that you're going to want to send more than once to more than one person. And so instead of recreating it every time, you've created the card and it's sitting in your account. That's what the campaigns are. And you can also schedule what's called a drip campaign. So you can send cards out at various times of the year to the same clients. Like I said, a holiday card, a birthday card, a thank you card, an appreciation card, and then maybe a marketing piece, a postcard with a coupon or something for your business, because you want to continue to follow that 80-20 rule. So 80% of the tangible touches or the reach outs that you do to your clients should be personal in nature and not salesy or business related. And the other 20% can be selling or offering what you have, showing people what your products and services are. So that 80-20 rule is really important. So we're going to go over here to campaigns and click on campaigns. And you can see right here that I've already started a campaign. So what I'm going to do is show you how to do another one. This is the one we started last year. So you're going to go last week. So we're going to hit the plus sign and we're going to do birthday. I want to do 2024 birthday card campaign. So we're going to create the campaign. So we call it whatever you want. Okay, so now it's called 2024 birthday card campaign right up here. And you can change that too if you want with the little pencil here. So we're going to add a card. So now we're going to click on this and it's going to take us to the card catalog where we're going to choose a birthday card. Now you have the option of doing a photo drop card, which is like that one that had my picture on it. That is a photo template and she just uploaded my picture and dropped it in there. So you can go to photo drop and you can look at the different templates. Now they got the graduate ones here because graduation is coming up. But if you scroll down, you will be able to find a birthday template. You can also, another way to do it, okay, it's not gonna give me trouble again, is to, here we go. So here's a birthday template here. Here's a birthday template here. So we have different templates that you can put these photos into, okay? And then you also have our catalog and build your own, which you can build your card completely from scratch. So whether you click catalog here or you click birthday right here, or you type birthday in the search bar, right? It's going to take you to our birthday cards. So here are our birthday cards, right? So these have a combination of your photo template and your catalog cards that we have in the catalog. So these are really cool cards. So we're going to pick something generic, something that you could send out from a business point of view because this is Build Your Business Bigger. So we're going to find a card that you can send for birthdays. So we're looking, there's also belated birthday cards in here. So this is a really great catalog to find. So we're going to go ahead and pick this birthday. We're going to pick a different one because that was one we did last week. So let's keep scrolling. And it only takes a minute to go through all these cards and see what we have here for birthdays. So we're going to pick this one right here. Happy birthday to you. Okay. So this is a landscape card. So we're going to hit customize. And then again, as I've said in the past, you have 5 different card designs or types and 3 paper types. We're going to stay with the standard, which is the glossy UV coating, and the 2 panel, which opens either this way or this way, depending on if it's a portrait or a landscape card. So we're going to click next, and then we're going to open the card. So it's going to open up here. Also, here's the front. Okay. And what we're going to do is click this little arrow down here. So now you have the top and the bottom of the card. So you click the little pencil, and what that does is give you here area to select your font style. So I'm going to pump it up to 23. You can do left, center, or right justification. You can pick your font. So let's pick, these are all different fonts, and you can also upload your own font and handwriting and signatures into your account, which can be done with an add-on package, very, very reasonably priced. I like Homemade Apple because it's a handwriting font. It's not mine, but it's one that is in the font catalog here. And I'm going to pick a color. Now here's the colors from the front of the card. So you can either choose one of these colors, or you can select your own from this little bar here, our little color palette. So I can pick green or brown or pink. I'm going to pick this dark green color. Okay, so it's going to have the cursor here waiting for me to type. Now, what I'm going to do, because this is a card campaign, right? I'm going to send this out to multiple people for their birthday. I might send it out to my friend Lisa. I might send it out to my friend Bob. I might send it out to my friends Carol and Jane who have birthdays coming up. I might send it out to my friend Mark, or my business associate Alan, or my neighbor or my husband or whoever. So you want to have, you don't want to have a name in here because when you go to do this campaign, you're just going to basically click on the card, click on the person's in the contact manager and hit send, and it's going to merge everything. So it's going to merge their name if you so want it to have a name inside. So what we're going to go down here is to the insert area, which it inserts these mail merge fields into your card. So if I click on first name, comma, right, it's going to stay underlined, which means that's where it's going to draw the name from the contact manager when you add the contact in here. And I'll show you that at the end. So now we're going to put best wishes on your birthday. May the coming year be filled with happiness and cheer. And then I'll put Barb Duran. Okay. So I'm just going to put my name um, and just leave that very generic. You can put a verse in there. You can find one online. You can just pretty much Google happy birthday card verses and you can get different verses. But we're going to keep it very professional, very simple, and just leave it at that. Okay. And I'm not going to put anything up here, although you could put a photo or something, but don't include your business card. Don't include your business information on the inside. It should just be the name, their person's name, because you want it personalized, and your little message. And so this is the front of the card here, right? This is the inside, and then we're going to go to the back. Now, this is the custom card back, and I have many various card backs that we could use. This one has more of my business information, so I'm not going to send that. I'm going to find something. So I click up here on layouts up in the upper left, and I find this blank image. Okay, so it clears out that old layout, and I'm going to click on images and then go back up here to layouts. And so I'm going to click on layouts, and it's going to give me number of card back layouts that I've created. Some are for sympathy cards. There's a calendar. Some are for the organizations that I belong to. So we're going to scroll down here and I'm going to find one for spring. And I have one here that says, have a great spring. And it's not a business. It has my phone number and my email, and that's it. So we're going to go ahead and find a card back, and you can create one for each card. You can create one for each season. I have winter ones. I have ones for fall. I have ones for October, which is breast cancer month. So I have many different card backs that I can use. So I'm going to find the one for spring. I should be coming up on it here soon. And I'm going to use that one for the back of my card. Okay, it should be coming up. There's fall. I have so many of them, but I want to use the spring one. Here we go. There should be one coming up. It says, have a great spring. Well, here's one that says happy spring. Okay, right here. So happy spring. So I'm going to just click that, and that's going to put that on the back of the card. Okay. So it's got my name and my address, and my name, my email, and my phone number. Okay, there we go. So now you have, right, the front of the card here. Okay. You've got the message here, and then you've got the back of the card here. Okay. So now your card has been created. So we're going to add it to the campaign down in the lower right. Okay. So now this is going to be our 2024 um, birthday card campaign. Okay. Right here, 2024 birthday card campaign. So now we've got one card sitting here. So you could add a second card or a third card or as many cards as you want. What the campaign does is it automatically schedules these cards to go out at whatever intervals you tell it. So the birthday card can go out on the person's birthday or 7 days before. Usually it goes out 7 days before. And how it knows that, and I'll show you this probably next week or if we have time today. We have a birthday reminder system built in, so you can actually put people's birthdays in when you add them to the contact manager, their name, their address, city, state, and zip, and I'll show you that in a minute. But you could add multiple cards, so it would send this one on their birthday, it would send this one in 6 months, it would send the next one in 9 months or 12 months or whatever time frame you tell it to send, and that's when it's going to send. Okay, so the card's been created. Okay, so we're going to go out of here and we're going to go back up to, now we're going to go to, so the card's created. So if you want to view it, you can view it. Okay, so here's the card we just created. Now that first name field is going to be populated with the person's name, and I'm going to show you that here in a minute. So here's the happy spring on the back. Okay, So we're going to go back over to contacts now. So that card is sitting in, go back to campaigns. So here's the card. It's sitting in campaigns, right? So you have my campaigns up here in the left, and purchased campaigns were ones that I've purchased. And store is a campaign store that has cards for various um, industries and professions. So you have automotive, you have beauty, and we'll go through these at a later date. And if you're a business and if you're any of these businesses, construction or dental, finance, fitness, generic business, sales, insurance, real estate, these are all in here. And if you are one of those specific businesses and you want help setting up a campaign that can go out once, twice, three, four times a year, whatever you want, however often you want to touch your clients and customers, I can help you with that. What we're going to do right now is okay, so the card is created. We're done, and it's only been like 15 minutes. And that's slow for me because I've been doing it so much, but I wanted to walk you through the steps. So this one we're going to, so this is the one we just created, right? So now we're going to go to the contact manager. So how the contact manager works is that's all the names and addresses of all the people that you have here in your contacts, right? So we're going to pull up birthdays and we're going to say birthdays between today, we're going to go birthdays between the 19th and April 1st. Okay, submit. So if you have birthdays in here, when you go to put someone in, it will show their birthday here on under the birthday column, and you also have an anniversary column. So if you put their anniversary in, it will show up here as well. So what I'm going to do is I'm actually going to pull up my name. I'm actually going to add myself as a contact. So I'm going to show you. So here I'm going to put, okay, Barb Duran and 1234 Oak Street, Wyandotte, 48192. I'm just putting in a fake address right now. And I'm going to hit Michigan. Okay. And so here, right here where it says birthday, I can put in, I'll just put in April 15th, just for that's not my birthday, but I'm just going to put that in there. So I'm going to put in Barb Duran, Oak Street, blah, blah, blah. And then I'm just going to put in here test card, just because I know that's going to be a test card for me. But you just put in their address with their birthday, and then you go down here and hit save contact. Okay. So now it's going to save the contact. So if I click birthday again, if I go in here and go into new groups, okay, view contacts, and you go back into birthday and you pick April 14th through the 20th. Okay, and hit submit. So now that's going to show up, right? So if you go down here to Duran, right here, 415, okay? So it shows that what I just entered and the birthday's there. What it's also going to do for you, if you go back to over here, your account, okay, and you go to notifications right here on the left, you can see that there's notifications. And what it does is it notifies you in two ways. It puts them here. So here's all the people with upcoming birthdays. Okay, so it's the end of March, the beginning of April. Okay, all these people that have birthdays, right? Or another way it will notify you is if you go to your email, it's going to send you an email that says important upcoming dates. So you can see right here, today I received this email at 7:05, and it tells you 2 weeks in advance because April 2nd is about 2 weeks from today. It will tell you 2 weeks in advance who's coming up with a birthday. Okay. And if you click on see all reminders, it will take you back to this reminder page. Okay. So you're seeing it in two different places. It emails you and it sets it up on your reminder. So what you can do is click on it right here where it says send a card. So you can scroll down. Okay. And you can click on send a card and it takes you right into the card catalog and sets that person's address in there for you to send it. Okay. So we're going to go back to Contact Manager. So I'm going to show you how easy this works now. So I'm going to go back to birthdays and we're going to pick 415. because I put myself in there. So I'm just doing this as a test, but this is how you would do it. Okay, so here's my name and address and birthday is going to be in 2 weeks, 3 weeks from today, or 3 weeks from yesterday, whatever. So I'm going to hit this, I'm going to click this box. Okay. And then I'm going to go up here to campaign. And it says select the campaign you want to send. So I'm going to select this birthday one that we just created and hit submit. So now what it's done is it's put this card in my cart, my shopping cart. This is the shopping cart page. And if you want to add a gift at this point, you can add a gift. So the card's been already created. The verse is in there. The name merge field is in there. I've personalized the back of the card. I want to browse for gifts. So maybe I want to send a gift. So we can send seasonal gifts. We can send popular gifts. We can send brownies. We can send anything here that you want to send. But we're just going to send a card today. So how you do that is you go back to your card catalog. Okay, so we've chosen the person, right? So here's my name and number. We've chosen the card. Here is my return address, which is automatically populated. You can change this with every card if you need to. And then your Visa card or whatever payment method you're going to have in here. And it's already in here for me. So now I'm going to do checkout. So it's already ready to send. So what this does is give you the return address, okay? And because of the package that I have, normally the basic card price is $2.95. But because of the package I'm on, which is the subscription package, I pay a monthly fee. My card is $1.50 plus the stamp. So I'm paying $2.18 for this card. If I hit confirm and send, okay, it's going to say your order has been sent. Okay, send another card or go to your dashboard. So I'm going to go to my dashboard now, and it's going to take me to my card catalog. My card history, which is right down here on the left. This is your main account dashboard, your main menu. You'll see your name and your picture up here, and you'll see all the things you need to do right here on the left-hand side. Send a card, your birthday notifications or anniversaries, as whatever the case may be. Okay, so we're going to go to card history. So card history holds all the cards that you've sent in the past, all the cards that you're going to send in the future that are scheduled. So if you see the cards that say fulfill, those are cards that I've just sent out for people's birthdays. And you can see the personalized cards that I send. I send out popcorn, I send out stickers, I send out cookies. So there's all these different cards. Flower seeds are popular. I send those out. But here's the card I just sent. Okay. It's pending. So it won't actually get mailed out until tomorrow. But what you can do is if you click on it, you can look and see, right? So there we go. It's added my name. This was the first name field. It pulled the name out of the contact manager and plopped it in there. So now it's a personalized card, right? Here's the back, right? Here's the front, the inside with the name already there. And here's the front. So the card is sitting there waiting for it to go out. And that's how easy it was. We did that in less than 20 minutes. And the more you do this, once you have the card sitting in your card catalog, again, I'll walk through it very quickly with you. In order to send a birthday card campaign, right, you have to have the campaign set up already ahead of time. So it's right here, okay? So the first thing you do is go to the contact manager. So you want to start with the person you want to send it to. So again, if they're in your notifications and the birthday notifications, we will go up to that. We'll go to notifications. Okay, so you click on that. You click on the person's name. So let's pick my friend Judy here. Send a card. Okay, so you pick on Judy. Then you go into campaigns. Oops. All right, let me go back to this again here. So we go to contacts. I'm sorry, we go to your account and we go to notifications. Okay, and we'll pick all right, we'll pick who we're gonna pick. We'll pick my friend, we'll pick my friend Ellen. So we'll hit send a card. Okay. And then what we'll do is go to campaigns. All right, and we'll pick the campaign we want to send. So it's this one. So we'll open the campaign, send order, select the card. It's just one. Okay. If you have 6 cards or 5 cards in a campaign, you only want to send one out. You select that card. Okay, so here's the card. Okay, hit add recipients. It didn't populate for some reason. So I'm just going to put mine in here. So I'm going to go ahead and hit populate, pick my name. Okay, and again, card, gift if you so choose, right? Recipient, return address, payment method, checkout. It's that simple. Boom. All right, so now we're going to confirm and send. So now I've sent the card twice. So we're going to go back into the dashboard, but that's how easy. It's very quick. Once you have the campaign set up, you pick the campaign, you pick the person, you go to the cart and you hit send, and it will take that person's name, merge it into your card, and you can see it'll have 2 cards here. So that's pretty much how a campaign is set up and sent. It's very easy. Again, I will be happy to help you, walk you through it on the phone. We can do a Zoom call if you're in the area. So you can see it's here twice. I sent this first one and I sent the second one. Now, I don't want to send these out, so I'm going to cancel them. But if you wanted to, again, see that it populated by name. So if we check the card, there's my name again. So we're going to go ahead and cancel these 2 cards because I'm not going to don't want to send them out. Normally, what would happen is tomorrow morning it would download into the server and it would say fulfilled, which means the card is in the mail. So you can see these other birthday cards that I've sent. They're all personalized with people's photos. I love to send personalized cards. Some have gifts, some do not. So you can see the cards that I've sent out. And I'm going to cancel these 2 cards. So you won't get charged for those, right? Because it doesn't charge you till the next day when they actually get sent out. So that's how to set up a birthday card campaign. I would be happy to help you again with that or any other kind of campaign you might want to set up for marketing your business to build your business bigger through sending of greeting cards and gifts, appreciation cards, thank you cards. And what we're going to do next week is the end of March. So we're going to go through how to use the 10-card challenge because we have a 10-card challenge right now. And if you want to know more about that, you can go to my website, which is in the chat, easy2sendcards.com. And you can go here and find out more about the 10-card challenge. You can go to pricing. And then that will do is tell you right here, this is the 10-card challenge. So you can send 10 cards out for $20 in the first 20 days. So you have 20 days or 3 weeks to send out 10 cards. And it's very quick and easy. And I'm going to show you for April the 10 ways or reasons to send a card out in the first 20 days of the month. And we're going to walk through it day by day. So if you do one every other day, right? So that's 10 cards in 20 days. That's a card every other day. And so that will get you in the habit of sending cards. That will help you to find those special occasions and reasons to send a card. And there are tons of them in April, 10 for sure. And I will share those with you next week. So be on Build Your Business Bigger with Barb next week at the same time, same Zoom call. And I look forward to talking with you then. And I appreciate your time today. I hope I helped with birthday card campaigns. Again, please contact me if you have questions or want help with any of your card and gift sending. Thank you so much. Have a wonderful week and happy spring. We'll talk soon.